Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the usage of wood. The first usage of wood is to talk about past habits. For example, he would dance well when he was a child. I would read a lot in my college days. When I was young, I would play chess with my father. Whenever he was angry, he would walk out of the room. If we want to use would to describe past habits, we should use an action verb like play, read, dance, etc. We should not use state verbs with would to describe past habits. I can't say when I was young I would live in an old house, as the verb live is a state verb. Instead, we should say when I was young I used to live in an old house. Second usage is to talk about unreal situation. For example, we are going to have a pizza. Your reply may be, "Oh, that will be nice." If I say, "We are thinking of having a pizza," you can reply as, "Oh, that would be nice." Here, will is a prediction about the future about the pizza. But if we are talk about would is a prediction about an unreal situation, about a pizza which may or may not happen. For example, if I say, "She would look better with longer hair." In this example, we have imagined her with longer hair, but in reality, she has shorter hair. So, this is an imaginary situation, and we shouldn't use will in this case, as the auxiliary verb will is used as a part of the verb to describe future situations. If I say, "She would be glad if you send this box of chocolate to her." In this one, you are not going to send her a box of chocolate, but you just have imagined that, so would should be used. Third usage of would is to make a polite request and proposal. For example, "Would you please come in?" "Would you like to have some tea?" "Would you mind helping me with my project?" When in formal situations, usage of would is expected for polite conversations or to make a proposal. In informal situations, we can simply use will. We can also use would in a statement to avoid sounding impolite, especially when disagreeing with someone. For example, "I wouldn't agree with that." "She wouldn't go to the doctor even though she was in pain." We also use would as past form of will. For example, in direct and indirect speech, "Tom, I'll call you on Sunday." When we say this sentence in indirect speech, Tom said he'd call me on Sunday. "Amy, I promise I won't be late." Amy promised that she wouldn't be late. Lisa, "Oh no, the car won't start." Lisa was annoyed because her car wouldn't start. In this situation, use of would is related to the past form of will. Suppose your friend told you, "I will be here at 8 o'clock." Now, if you want to tell that to me, you should say this: "She told that she would be here at 8 o'clock." This is an example of reported speech, and we use would in the place of will. We can also use would to express preferences and likings for something. "I'd like" is a polite way to say that you want something. For example, "I would like to have some water." "I would love to travel abroad." "I'd rather have coffee than tea." "I'd like some information about hotels." "I'd like to try on this jacket." Usually, words such as love, hate, prefer, like, and glad are used along with would to describe these types of situations. We also use would in conditional cases. For example, "If I were rich, I would buy a Ferrari." "If I had finished my work, I would have left." "If I had a magic wand, I would change some historical events." I would never have met with her if I hadn't gone to that party. Also, notice that in all these sentences, we are talking about imaginary situations. So, it is clear that we use would whenever we want to talk about some imaginary situations. This is all about the lesson on would. You can ask your doubts in the comment section. You can also write your own examples related to each type I have discussed in the comment section. If you appreciate my efforts, please like this video. Thank you.